According to Social Blade, this channel earned up to $17,000 per month from YouTube Shorts. No products, no courses, no face on camera, and every single video was built using an AI tool called NoodleTomato. But here's what most people get wrong. They think AI is the secret. It's not. AI only speeds up the process. The real secret is choosing topics that already have proven demand before you ever click generate. That's the difference between a channel that gets 300 views and one that gets hundreds of thousands. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact workflow I use. First, how I research viral history topics directly on YouTube. Then, the 4-beat storytelling framework behind almost every successful history TV short. I'll also give you my master ChatGPT prompt that generates 50 viral topic ideas in seconds, show you how to set up a brand new Faceless history channel, and finally walk you through how NoodleTomato turns one of those ideas into a fully edited short, ready to publish in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Before I show you NoodleTomato, I want to answer one important question. Why history? Because I didn't pick this niche based on a guess. I analyzed dozens of faceless history channels looking for the same patterns, and 2 channels stood out immediately. First, Lost American Treasures. Only 368 subscribers. That's barely a channel. They uploaded a short about ancient artifacts discovered in Alaska, and it pulled 23,000 views. Think about that for a second. Fewer than 400 subscribers, yet one video reached over 23,000 people. Now look at PastLens. Around 10,000 subscribers. Still a relatively small channel. They published a short about an unsolved historical mystery that exploded to 2.5 million views. One short, 2.5 million views. Now look closely at what connects these channels. They're both completely faceless. They both use AI-generated narration, and they both stay inside the exact same proven topic clusters: unsolved mysteries, lost civilizations, archaeological discoveries, and dark history. Different creators, same content strategy. That's how you validate a niche. You don't guess. You find repeatable patterns that are already getting millions of views, then create better content around those same proven ideas. Now here's the part most people completely miss. Those channels didn't go viral because they had better editing or expensive equipment. They went viral because they consistently published videos around proven topic clusters that people were already watching. That's the real advantage. Once you identify those patterns, you're no longer guessing what to upload next. You already know there's demand. Think about what we just did. In less than 5 minutes, we reverse engineered a successful niche. We found small channels getting massive results, identified the exact types of history topics that repeatedly go viral, and turn those patterns into a repeatable content strategy. Instead of wondering what to post tomorrow, you now have a framework for finding ideas that already have an audience. Now that we know what topics actually work, let's turn one into a finished short using NoodleTomato. Click the link in the description below, sign up, and log in. From the dashboard, click Create, set the video format to 9:16, choose a 1-minute duration, then under Voices, filter by Ancient and Narration, then select Peter. It's my favorite for history content because it has a deep documentary-style narration. Next, paste one of your validated history topics into the topic box and ready to generate. But here's where most beginners lose. They type random ideas into AI and hope something sticks. That's not a strategy. After studying hundreds of viral history shorts, I noticed they almost all follow the same storytelling rhythm. I call it the 4-beat formula. Beat 1 is the interrupt. Your first few words must stop the scroll immediately. Archaeologists couldn't explain this. They found something frozen in time, the one discovery nobody talks about. Words like mysterious, tragic, forbidden, shocking, buried, lost, and unsolved instantly create an open loop. Beat 2 is curiosity. You deepen that open loop without giving away the answer, until one discovery changed everything. Nobody expected what came next. What they uncovered shocked historians. You're promising a payoff the viewer now feels compelled to watch. Beat 3 is the reveal. This is where you deliver the actual story, the specific historical figure, location, artifact, or event. Keep it tight. 3 or 4 sentences are usually enough for a YouTube short. Beat 4 is the unexpected ending. Leave the audience thinking. Maybe it's a mystery that remains unsolved, a surprising historical fact, or a question that naturally encourages comments. Every great history short follows this rhythm, whether the creator realizes it or not. Now here's a pro tip almost nobody talks about. You don't have to brainstorm topics one by one. I built a master ChatGPT prompt that generates 50 viral history topics in a single response. Every topic follows this exact 4-beat structure. Every topic is built around proven clusters like archaeological discoveries, lost civilizations, dark history, and unsolved mysteries. You paste the prompt into ChatGPT or Claude, and within a minute, you have weeks of publish-ready content ideas. I'll give you this prompt completely free at the end of the video. Once you've generated your topics, simply choose one and paste it into NoodleTomato. For this walkthrough, I'm using the Lost City Hidden Beneath the Desert. Now, before I generate the video, let me show you something most people completely ignore. They only fill in the topic and click Generate. That works, but if you want much higher quality videos, spend another minute filling out the project brief. Think of this as giving the AI your creative direction. The better your instructions, the better the final video. For the core promise, tell the AI exactly what the viewer should walk away with. In this case, I want them to experience a documentary-style mystery that keeps them watching until the very end. For target audience, I'm choosing history enthusiasts and curious viewers because I want the narration and visuals tailored to people who already enjoy this type of content. For tone, I'm selecting cinematic, mysterious, and documentary style. Those 3 words alone completely change how the narration feels. Next is probably my favorite section, the style. This is where I tell the AI exactly what kind of visuals I want. Realistic archaeological environments, cinematic lighting, believable reconstructions, smooth camera movement, premium documentary quality. The more specific you are here, the more professional your videos will look. Then we have must cover. This is basically your checklist. I want a powerful hook, a historical mystery, the discovery of a lost city, realistic visuals, and a surprising ending that makes people want to leave a comment. Finally, avoid. This tells the AI what not to do. I don't want cartoons, futuristic buildings, fake history, repetitive narration, or low-quality visuals. Spending 1 minute filling these sections dramatically improves the consistency of every video you generate. And don't worry about writing all of this yourself. In the free prompt pack I'm giving away, I've already included the complete topic, the core promise, target audience, tone, style, must cover, and avoid sections. You'll simply copy, paste, and generate your video in minutes. Now that everything is set up, all I have to do is paste my topic, click Generate, and let NoodleTomato build the entire short for me. Now watch what happens. NoodleTomato generates multiple video concepts. I simply choose the strongest one. Next, it writes the full script automatically. I can regenerate it if I want, or accept it as it is. After that, click Render All, then NoodleTomato builds every visual scene, matches the pacing to the script, creates captions, adds background music, and assembles everything into a finished vertical short. Finally, the video is ready to export. Now watch the final result.
This wasn't a ceremonial city at peace. It was a fortified stronghold built to survive prolonged and devastating war. Deep inside the innermost chamber, a carved inscription named a ruler no historian had ever recorded before. That single name rewrites the entire Maya power structure, and nobody can yet explain who this person was.
Notice how the captions animate with the narration. The visuals change every few seconds. Every scene keeps the viewer moving through the story. That's exactly the kind of pacing that helps improve retention on YouTube Shorts. This is why I use NoodleTomato. It removes almost every manual step between an idea and a finished video. Now, let's create the channel that will publish these videos. When starting a new YouTube channel, 2 things matter more than anything else: identity and consistency. YouTube is constantly trying to understand what your channel is about and who should receive your videos. If one upload is history, the next is finance, and the next is gaming, the algorithm struggles to understand your audience. To make this simple, I built a second master ChatGPT prompt that creates your entire YouTube channel from scratch in just a few seconds. It doesn't just give you a name. It generates a memorable channel name, a keyword-rich channel description, searchable channel keywords, a professional profile and banner image prompt, an about page, upload defaults, a reusable video description template, channel branding guidelines, content pillars, and even 50 SEO-optimized video title ideas based on your niche. Everything is designed to keep your channel focused around one clear history brand from day one. Instead of spending hours trying to figure out what to write, you simply paste the prompt into ChatGPT, answer a few questions, and your entire channel is ready to launch. Another thing most beginners overlook is upload defaults. They won't magically make your videos go viral, but they save you a huge amount of time and keep every upload consistent. In the free channel setup prompt, ChatGPT generates your complete upload defaults for you, including your default description, links, hashtags, and any standard text you want on every video. Let me show you how simple it is. Open YouTube Studio, go to Settings, click Upload Defaults, copy the text ChatGPT generated, and paste it into the description field. If you have default links or hashtags, paste those too. Click save and you're done. From now on, every new video automatically includes your branding, links, and description without you having to rewrite everything each time. Now publishing becomes incredibly simple. Just write a title using your main hook keyword, make a few small adjustments if needed, and publish. Aim for 3 to 5 shorts every week. Think like a publisher, not just a creator. Spend one day generating 10 topics, use NoodleTomato to turn them into 10 finished shorts, schedule them across the week, and repeat the process. After 3 months, you'll have a library of more than 100 videos, each with the potential to keep bringing in views over time. Now let's talk about monetization. Once your channel qualifies for the YouTube Partner Program, eligible Shorts views can generate advertising revenue. Exactly how much varies depending on viewer location, advertiser demand, and overall watch behavior, so there isn't a fixed amount per 1,000 views. The important point is that consistent views create recurring earning potential. As your channel grows, additional opportunities open up through sponsorships, affiliate partnerships, and brand deals. But none of that happens without publishing consistently, and that's why speed matters. NoodleTomato removes almost every bottleneck. No scripting from scratch, no recording voiceovers, no editing timelines, no searching for visuals. You validate a niche, generate proven topics, paste one into NoodleTomato, and within minutes you have a finished, complete short ready to publish. It's a complete workflow from idea to upload. Here's what I want you to do next. Click the NoodleTomato link in the description below. Create your free account and generate your very first history short using the workflow we covered today. Even if you don't publish it yet, I want you to experience how quickly you can go from a single idea to a fully edited video. Then comment the word blueprint below, and I'll send you my complete Faceless History Channel blueprint completely free. Inside, you'll get the master prompt that generates 50 viral history topics, the optimized NoodleTomato topic prompt, the complete project brief template, including the core promise, target audience, tone, style, must cover, and avoid sections, the channel setup prompt that generates your channel name, description, keywords, branding, about page, upload defaults, content pillars, and reusable video description template, plus my niche validation checklist, so you know exactly how to find winning opportunities before everyone else. It's everything you need to launch a professional faceless history channel from scratch. And before you leave, make sure you watch the video that's on your screen right now. In it, I show you exactly how I used AI to create and sell a simple PDF that generated over $1,000. If you're looking for another proven AI income stream to pair with your YouTube channel, that video is the perfect next step. Click it now, and I'll see you over there.